Greetings everybody. In this part we will take a closer look at Nvidia Omniverse. To be precise, the Omniverse launcher. Nvidia Omniverse is a platform which contains basically consists of 5 core components. The Omniverse nucleus, it's basically a central database and collaboration engine of Omniverse. Then Omniverse Connect, as you can see here, where you connect popular content libraries for creation, like SketchUp, Maya, Unreal Engine, or Blender, for example. And the third part is a Omniverse Kit, a toolkit building native Omniverse application extensions and even microservices. And the fourth part is the Omniverse RTX renderer, an advanced multi-GPU renderer based on Nvidia RTX. And the last and fifth part is Omniverse simulation. It's a powerful suite of tools to simulate physically accurate worlds. And 2 additional parts, as you can maybe take it as additional parts, are the launcher itself and Omniverse extensions, which can be extended to other tools and workflows. For example, in the following parts I will go in and show you different parts which I use in my workflow, and maybe you can take it for your own workflow, maybe at least some parts of it. And yeah, the use cases are endless, and it's a vast and big topic, to be precise, so I will divide this whole series in several parts. So if you are interested, consider subscribing. And if you are interested in the Omniverse launcher, I will leave a link in the description where you can check the technical requirements for yourself if your system is ready for the tasks you want to do with Omniverse. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next part.